It cannot be a mere coincidence. Post Pahalgam massacre, both Congress and Pakistan can be found on the same page. When yesterday the Islamic country Pakistan issued a statement after its National Security Committee meeting, Congress too in New Delhi was holding a press conference after its CWC meeting. Strikingly, what Congress General Secretary KC Venugopal said at the conference, that Pakistan was saying the same across the border. Pakistan's statement allegedly said that the ruling party in India was exploiting incidents like Pahalgam to further its narrow political agenda. Congress leader Venugopal too asserted that BJP was trying to exploit the tragedy. India should refrain from its reflexive blame game and cynical stage-managed exploitation of incidents like Pahalgam to further its narrow political agenda are the exact words of Pakistan. Whereas CWC's resolution said this BJP is exploiting this grave tragedy through official and proxy social media platforms to sow further discord, mistrust, polarization and division at a time when unity and solidarity is most needed. Thus both use similar words to express a common sentiment. Furthermore, Pakistan in its statement alleged that state-controlled media was working in India. The same thing which Congress keeps on saying by identifying India media industry as Godi media. The neighbouring country's statement also spoke about Waqf Amendment Bill. It said attempts at forced passage of Waqf Bill is the latest effort to marginalize Muslims across India. This is what Congress is saying for past few months on every platform and even during debates in the parliament. What can one make of these statements? That both Pakistan and Congress keep a same mindset which is reflected in their common statements. And this is not happening for the first time. Even during Pulwama, the Congress and Pakistan were again found on the same page. At least 40 soldiers of the Central Reserve Police Force or CRPF were killed in a terror attack by the Jaish-e-Mohammed in Pulwama in 2019 when their convoy was heading from Jammu to Kashmir. The Congress party was even then seen taking a pro-Pakistan line. Senior Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu then came into defense of Pakistan. He questioned without naming Pakistan. Can an entire nation be blamed for a handful of people? Even in the recent Pahalgam incident, Congress leader Priyanka Vadra's husband Robert Vadra gave a bizarre statement. He said when this terrorist attack took place, they, that is terrorists, were looking at IDs. People who were non-Muslims were attacked and messages were given to the Prime Minister. Why is this happening? Because they feel that Muslims are being mistreated in our country. One needs to understand, where does grand old party's loyalties lie? Or is it that in the quest of Modi hatred that they are ready to even sacrifice the interest of motherland India? The people of the country are certainly watching.